What if I told you one simple spoon could gently wake up tired plants and bring life back to your soil? In nature, growth often begins quietly, when roots receive steady nourishment and the soil becomes soft, active, and balanced again. Take 1 tablespoon of oats and grind them with 1 liter of clean water. As oats break down, they release natural carbohydrates that feed helpful soil microbes. These microbes improve nutrient movement around the roots and help the soil hold moisture longer, which supports steady plant recovery. Now pour this mixture into another liter of water to make a total of 2 liters. This dilution makes the solution gentle and easy for roots to absorb without stress. Slowly pour the liquid directly into the soil around each plant. As it settles, the natural compounds from oats help improve soil texture, support root strength, and encourage fresh green growth. Over time, you may notice leaves standing firmer and the soil staying healthier between waterings. Sometimes plants don't need more care, just the right nourishment in a simple form. Try it once, observe quietly, and let nature respond.